Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the flight animation function, which means that it will move slowly across the globe while flying to a destination on the Google Earth application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on the last option, settings. Then, as you can see, there is this turn on flight animations function, which is the second one in the display settings section. So click on it. And here you can, since this function has been turned on, you can choose the flight animation speed. So tap on it and you can choose from slowest, slower, default, faster, and fastest. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to change it for, and then you can also select the rendering quality. So click on it and then you can also select the one that suits your preferences. So as you can see, this function of the application has been turned on and has been updated, so you will be able to use it while you are using the Google Earth application. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.